A man stands on the parapet of a castle holding a tall wand while a second wand is fastened behind him. In his other hand he cradles a small globe. Below him stretch barren lands, distant mountains, and the faint glimmer of the sea. The Two of Wands is the moment when fire seeks direction, the shift from raw impulse to deliberate intention. The figure himself is the central symbol. He stands between security and possibility, one hand on the wand of active will, the other resting on the world he imagines shaping. His posture is calm, collected, and contemplative. No longer responding to a sudden spark, he now channels his power with purpose. He represents consciousness awakening to its own reach, the architect of potential surveying the horizon of choice. The wand he holds is the first supporting symbol. Unlike the ace's eruptive force, this wand expresses controlled energy, passion shaped by strategy. It is will tethered to focus. That his hand rests upon both wand and globe shows alignment between imagination and action. The inner world is ready to take form in the outer one. The second supporting symbol is the wand fixed to the wall. It represents achievements and stability already gained, past successes that anchor him. But its fastening suggests potential constraint. The comfort of the known can become a tether. The two asks whether we will remain within familiar boundaries or extend beyond them. The parapet itself is the third symbol, representing vantage point and limitation. He stands high above the landscape, aware, empowered, informed, yet unable to advance without leaving the castle's safety. Twos in tarot always hold tension. Here it is the pull between consolidation and expansion, planning and risk. The fourth symbol is the land and sea stretching outward. The bare earth signifies unshaped opportunity, the blank canvas awaiting intention. The sea represents emotion and possibility, the currents that will later carry his venture outward. Ships may soon sail from this coast, but only when direction is chosen. The fifth symbol is his vibrant red cloak and orange headpiece. Red signifies courage and life force. Orange blends fire with intellect, suggesting strategic ambition. These colors show passion tempered by foresight, fire maturing into leadership, energy preparing for action rather than leaping impulsively. Together, these symbols illustrate a threshold. The ace's spark has become a vision seeking expression. He is no longer dreaming, but preparing. In readings, the Two of Wands speaks to planning, decision-making, and measured ambition. It marks the moment when imagination crystallizes into intent, when the world feels both held and waiting. Its counsel: take the long view, honor your desire for expansion, and choose the path your fire is ready to walk.